Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about Georgetown University. So they are providing the admissions on scholarship. This university is located in Washington, United States. You can know more about the university and education for the mind and heart, who we are. You can take a look to this university, explore the programs, events. So these are the schools. For example, if you want to take a look, so these are the school: College of Art and Science, Georgetown Law, Health, Medicine, Nursing, Foreign Services. So they have a lot of programs available. Program types: bachelor, doctorate, master's degree. These all kind of programs are also available in this university, full-time and in-person. This you can filter the program which you want to like and apply for that. I'll let you know about more. For example, if you want to apply for undergraduate admission, then click here, or graduate admission, then click here, and then we'll also take a look at financial aid. For graduate admission, then click here. So here you can see School of Nursing, Health, Medicine. These are the area of study. Financial aid, you can take a look to that. We can also, I'm looking for the requirements they have. So if you want to, for example, apply, graduate programs, how to apply graduate admission. Now we are going to take a look what are the requirements they have. Application procedure and deadlines, test requirements, and then they have some test requirements as well. So this application form submission, so application requirements I click. This is the main requirements they have. Okay, now take a look. First of all, application submission, you need to submit your application, start your application and then submit your application. Then statement of purpose, you should have a statement of purpose about 500 words. Official statement, diversity, personal background and contributions, transcript, translation and evaluations. Upload, request a copy of your official transcript from your institute, upload transcript to your application. So they have some requirements about the transcript, you should read those requirements. They have some GPA calculation criteria. You can take a look here. They have also requirements of GRE and TOEFL and IELTS. And you need to also pay the application fee when submitting your application. But sometimes they will, if you send an email to them for the application fee waiver, then they can also waive your application fee. I had submitted the application and then I sent an email for application fee waiver, and then they have waived my application fee. So yeah, these are the requirements, and after you will check the requirements, then all you need to do is also you can take program requirements and on their website. And start your application here. For example, if you want to program type is doctorate, okay, and format is full-time, and school is art of science, and then apply filter. So these are the programs. Computer science, okay, view more. You can check more about the computer science and summary, sales website, what they are offering, requirements they have. See the requirements of specific program they have mentioned here. Application form, non-refundable application fee, and all the requirements they have mentioned here. IELTS minimum 7. So they haven't mentioned GRE, so you don't need to submit GRE here. They have mentioned the deadlines. So here you can come to specific program, and then you can see more specific requirements about the program on which you are going to apply. Okay, and then start application. Here first you need to create the account and then log in and register. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you will have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Take care, and kindly guys, if you like the video and if you want to know more about the scholarships, then you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.